So in this question, we are given three sets A, B, C, and the definitions are given. Let Z be any point in A intersection B intersection C. Then हमें दो सर्कल के इक्वेशन दिए हैं, तो हमें बताना है कि this value lies between which two integers. So first of all, let us take Z equals 2x plus iota y. And if we observe carefully, set B is a definition of circle where center of the circle is 2, 1 and radius is 3. So if we write this, it is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equals to 3 square. If we simplify, this turns out to be x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y equals to 4. Now coming back to the question states z plus 1 minus iota modulus square plus z minus 5 minus iota square. This is in turn x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square plus from the second bracket x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. If you open the bracket and simplify, it turns out to be 2 times x square plus y square minus 8x minus 4y plus 25 plus 1 and plus 1. So it is basically 2 times x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 26, 27 and 28. So what we have found out? We found out that x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y equals to 4. I am putting it in this expression. 2 times 4 plus 28. 8 plus 28. This is 36. Coming back to the options. Option C, 35 and 39. Definitely 36 lies between this range. So option C is the correct answer to this question.